Today we're back at the Tulsa Garden Center at Woodward Park, and joining me is Andy Fusco, who is the acting executive director. And Andy, the formal gardens are still kind of sleeping, but they're starting to wake up. And so often we talk about, you know, where can people go for information? Obviously extension, but you guys are a great resource too.
Yeah, since 1954, we've been what we call a horticulture hub for Tulsa and the surrounding community, of course. 16 plant societies, horticulture workshops, all kinds of gardening education, of course, beautiful green space, soon to be green space.
Yes, and that's the thing is that every spring there's new people that are discovering gardening and looking for information, how to get involved in the gardening community, and you guys are a great start because you have so many different clubs that specialize in particular plant areas.
Oh yeah, we've got the Garden Club, the Herb Society, the Rose Society, you name it. We probably have a plant society for it, and they have wonderful monthly meetings. Most of them meet monthly, but we also have lots of gardening workshops coming up this spring for beginners and experts alike.
And that's the best thing is like you can get the lecture, you can get the information, but there's also a lot of hands-on plant sales. We all love plant sales.
Oh yeah, I mean our biggest event this year, 70th annual Spring Fest at Woodward Park, April 11th and 12th. We're really excited for that. It's Tulsa's oldest garden market, if you can believe it. We've been doing it for 70 years and 40 plus plant vendors. We'll have our own plant sale. The plant societies will be out here with information and plants, and it's just a really great time to celebrate spring and come out here and nerd out with all your fellow plant lovers.
And get those connections because, you know, everybody, all the other gardeners have so many so much experience and information that they can also offer.
Yeah, that's what I love about horticulture and gardening is it's such a communal hobby that everybody's so willing to share plants, of course, and knowledge that if you really had to boil what we're doing here is really building community around a shared love of the outdoors and gardening.
And you're always looking for volunteers, correct?
Yes. Yeah, the Teaching Garden program is alive and well, but you don't have to commit to that whole program to come out and volunteer. We always love having people that want to get their hands dirty and help make Woodward Park the beautiful place that it is.
And so for somebody who maybe hasn't been out here, can you tell us a little bit about what they might find just as far as the gardens to explore also? Because there's people that maybe aren't gardeners, but they enjoy being out here.
Right, and it's a great relationship because Tulsa Garden Center, we're in one of Tulsa's, you know, most beautiful parks. City of Tulsa's Parks Department takes care of most of Woodward Park, and then we're a nonprofit within the park that does all the events and the wonderful educational programming. And so you can come out and, of course, take a wonderful workshop with us, but you can come out and just take a picnic, take your family photos, all that wonderful stuff that Woodward Park is known for.
And I don't think I've ever been out here where I don't see an artist actually out here painting and doing some of that stuff also.
Yeah, I mean, that's one of the best parts about my job, honestly, is, you know, I can take a walk in the park and I'm working and just I get to interact with so many different people from all walks of life, and this place means something different to everybody, and it's really cool to give back in that way.
And you said 70th anniversary, rich in history, right? So
yeah, we've been here a long time, and it's great to see other horticulture institutions kind of come up around us in Tulsa, but we've been here, and you know, we're the place to be.
Yes, and I kind of grew up around this area too, so coming, and this is how I kind of got spurred on into horticulture myself. So
yeah.
Tell me a little bit, remind me of your hours.
The park is open 5 a.m. to 11 p.m., normal Tulsa curfew hours. Tulsa Garden Center is open to the public Tuesday through Friday, 9 to 4, and the Teaching Garden's getting ready to open in the spring, Tuesday through Saturday, 9 to 4.
All right, well, check out your website for more information. You've got a lot of events coming up.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Andy.
Thanks, Casey.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.